Hey everyone, Harris here with iDownload Blog. So the Apple Watch is notorious for having very slow software update speeds, sometimes taking 20, 30, 40 minutes, an hour, 2 hours. It really depends on the size of the update, the generation of your Apple Watch, connectivity, and any interference that you may have, but it can certainly range and be a very slow and rather tedious process, especially when you want your Apple Watch to be counting steps. You're going to be wanting it to be on your wrist and not on its charger. But there is a trick that will dramatically improve update times. This is as simple as turning off Bluetooth, because by default, Apple Watches prioritize Bluetooth because it is a more energy efficient system. It saves battery life and power, so that it uses Bluetooth. However, if you turn off Bluetooth, it will force your watch and phone to operate via Wi-Fi. This will allow for much greater bandwidth, stronger connection, and faster software update. So to go ahead and do this, you're going to want to go ahead and initiate your software update in the Apple Watch app on your phone. You're going to tap software update, you go ahead and click the download and install, enter the passcode if it requires it, and then go ahead and wait until the estimated time remaining pops up, being 9 minutes, whatever it is. That will tell you how much time it is estimated to be downloading left. Now go into the settings on your iPhone, Bluetooth, and turn it off. You may not want to do this from Control Center because of the way iOS 11 handles Control Center interactions. So go ahead and go into the phone Bluetooth and turn it off. This will end the Bluetooth connection to the Apple Watch. Going back into the Apple Watch app, it'll tell you that you want to turn Bluetooth on. Click cancel, you'll be fine, and then you can go ahead and continue with your update and you will be good to go. The estimated time remaining should be significantly lower than it would be otherwise, because the Wi-Fi radios consume more power because it's a more powerful and faster operation. So this will dramatically improve your update times on your Apple Watch so you can get back to tracking your steps. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up. If you want to see a written version of this, check the description for the article on iDownload Blog. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.